up everyone, it's Adrian. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a highly requested video, which is iPhone apps that will make you money. Don't have any money to throw around, but you get the idea. These are apps that you can either make money by using or save money in terms of online shopping or regular shopping right from your phone for free. I'll explain when I get into all the apps. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell for notifications every time I upload, which is now Wednesdays and Saturdays. I partnered with ShopTagger in today's video. I have worked with them before. If you guys didn't see my shopping life hacks video, I will link it down below. All of these apps will come in handy, especially with the holiday season rolling around. I mean, you gotta get Christmas gifts, Hanukkah gifts, Kwanzaa gifts, you got Black Friday, you got all that. So I'd pay attention and watch till the end if I were you. If you guys want a part 2 of this video, please let me know by commenting down below. And without further ado, let's get into the apps. The first app I'm going to talk about is called Pact. I personally love this app because I started working out a lot more, and basically this app pays you for sticking to your workout and health goals. This app is for iOS and Android, and all you do is download the app, make a weekly pact to stick to one of your health or fitness goals, and then you use the app to track your goals, and you can earn up to 30 cents to $5 for every goal that you achieve, depending on how many activities you complete. And your activities are verified with GPS, photos, and like other services, so I thought this was really cool. What a good way to stick to your health goals, especially for the new year coming around, and get paid for it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you fail to meet your pact, you gotta pay up, so be careful. The next thing I'm going to talk about is ShopTagger. So as you guys know, I love this program. Something that really bothers me, it's such a pet peeve of mine, but it's pretty unavoidable, is when you go purchase something in a store or online, and then you find out that a couple days later, or a week later, or 2 weeks later, that exact same item went on sale, and you basically feel like you absolutely wasted money. I've done this so many times, and I hate it, and so ShopTagger is a perfect way to avoid that. ShopTagger is basically an iPhone app and a Chrome extension for your browser that anytime you find an item that you want to purchase, you can add it to a wish list on ShopTagger, and it'll notify you if that item goes on sale or if that item is restocked, if it was sold out. So basically you can avoid spending extra money before sales happen, and you can get notified when an item goes on sale. On your desktop, you download the browser button. Then you just head on over to one of your favorite stores and click the button whenever you see an item you'd like to save. You can get notifications via email or mobile push when an item you've saved goes on sale or comes back in stock. So you can just get notified right to your phone via email or via push notification, whichever you prefer. What's really nice is that you can organize your products into multiple wish lists. So I have my Christmas wish list, I got my everyday wish list, and it's super easy to share your list. All you have to do is click the share button, and then you can let your friends and family know what you want for the holidays, for your birthday, etc. So I highly suggest ShopTagger for your everyday life, especially with the holidays coming up. Click on the link down below in order to download it. And you guys, right now ShopTagger is giving away $10,000 to Nordstrom. They are giving up to 10 winners $1,000 each. That's insane and so handy for the holidays, and all you guys have to do to enter to win that is download ShopTagger. I have a link right down below in the description. It's absolutely free, and tag 3 items, and then you will automatically be entered to win so much money to Nordstrom. It's like a dream come true. The next really easy way to make money right from your phone is by going through and getting rid of all of your old clothing. I know I've talked about this many times, but seriously, you guys, it's so easy to clean out your closet and get actual money for old pieces that you don't wear anymore. So my favorite app for this is called Poshmark. I have an account. It is right there. Go follow me if you want to purchase some of my stuff. All you really do is put your items up for sale and wait for someone to buy them. There are a lot of other apps just like this. For example, Mercari and Vinted are 2 other ones. So I highly suggest using these if you need to clean out your closet and get some extra money. The next kind of group of apps that are out there are apps where you can earn a lot of cash back for online shopping. One of these apps is called Ebates, and basically you can earn up to 40% cash back when you shop at any of the 1,800 online retailers that they have. So that's insane and really cool. You can also earn $50 for referring 2 friends, so that seems pretty easy. There are more apps like that out there as well. Ibotta is one of them, and also Ernie. The next app is called ClassShot. I think that's how you pronounce it. And basically you get paid for taking photos of art, cities, food, and like anything else right from your smartphone. And then you sell it on deposit photos. So it's kind of like stock photos, and if people buy them, you can earn money for it. You can sell your photos for 50 cents to $80, which is sweet. And that's all you do. So I need to start using this, honestly, because I take so many photos and I don't do things with all of them. The next app is called Books Counter. Now, this app is perfect, especially if you are a student or you're going to be a student. You're always going to have old books, old textbooks, or maybe you just grew up and you have a bunch of children's books that you don't read anymore. Basically, this help. Basically, this app is to help you sell your old books. I've wanted this forever. Why is it only coming in to play right now? It's also super easy to use. It allows you to just scan the barcode on your book and it'll easily identify it. It'll value what that book is worth and it'll compare buyback prices, and you basically choose the highest offer that you get and you ship the book off to them for free. So that's like a super easy way to, again, get rid of things that you have around the house and earn money for it. How cool. The next app I'm going to talk about is called Surveys on the Go. Again, there are a ton of apps also similar to this, where basically you get paid to take various surveys, which is kind of neat. So you get paid for sharing your opinion on various things, including the news, entertainment, sports, technology. Don't you always wish someone would listen to your voice? Well, now you can get paid for having a voice. It's pretty cool. All you do is download the app and you will get notified every time there are new surveys available with your particular interests. And the pay ranges from 25 cents to $5 in cash. And when you reach $10, it'll just pay you through PayPal. So easy. There are two more apps that I like that are similar to that. They're called iPoll and Swagbucks. So be sure to check out any of these apps. And I'm sure there are a ton more. These are just like my favorites. But again, there are so many more apps I could talk about. So let me know. Part 2. Yeah. Okay, this might be my favorite one. I haven't actually tried it, but I'm excited to. It's called Field Agent. And basically you can earn approximately $3 to $12 for doing like various random tasks, such as visiting your local discount store and taking a picture of an assigned product and verifying its price. Ooh, it makes me think like you literally are like a secret agent. So all you do is download the app and then complete your profile and you start making money from just doing these little tasks. It sounds kind of sketchy, but like not really. I don't know, there must be some higher group of people that needs to like validate that certain stores have certain prices. I don't really know, but it sounds cool and you make money. And a bonus for all of you Android users out there, the two best apps are Tap Cash and Money Machine, at least from my research. I haven't used them because I'm an iPhone user. Tap Cash allows you to earn gift cards and cash for downloading, installing, and playing the newest free games and apps. Yo, that's cool. I wish we had that for iPhone. What the heck? And also for like watching videos. Okay. And then Money Machine is also kind of similar to Field Agent, where you get paid for completing random tasks. So anyway, those are all the apps I'm going to talk about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try out these apps, especially ShopTagger. I'm on ShopTagger. It is so easy to use and so nice, I'm telling you, especially with the holiday season. Plus, don't you want to enter to win $10,000? I think you do. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. I love reading your guys' comments. I love answering them. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!